laughed the day I bought this land, a place that floods when rain hits and no room to build, no place to stay, just me and dreams I couldn't say. With shovel in hand I dug so deep, through aching arms and nights with sleep. At first I cried, I felt so small, but then I heard a quiet call. You've done well, you're doing fine. I cleared a path through tangled weeds, held every stone like it was meant to be. I moved so slow, unsure, afraid, but change came soft, like light through shade. Learned how to stand, and from my calloused fingertips a tiny hope began to slip. Now this land reflects my face, it gently says you found your place. To others it might not seem much, but here I made my very first touch. I never knew the earth could speak, now I smile with every sweet